Okay, we are now going to look at multiplying binomials in a quick video. We use the FOIL method, which is first, outer, inner, last. If I were you, I'd recommend writing this down, saying it out loud, memorizing it, because it hasn't gone away for years, and I don't think it will, because this is the best way to remember how to multiply binomials. And if it doesn't make any sense to you right now, I promise it will in a few minutes. Okay, so you can either use that sheet off of ManageBack, it's called Multiplying Binomials, or you are welcome to take notes as I go. And I've already kind of started multiplying binomials using the FOIL method. So that's already written for you. Okay, so our first problem is x plus 2 times x plus 4. Well, how do we multiply using this first, outer, inner, last method? You are going to multiply the first terms, which is what first stands for. So x times x is x squared. Then we are going to multiply the outer terms, which are these outer, or you can outer right here. X times 4 is 4x. Now you're going to do the inner, which is 2 times x, which is 2x. And then you're going to do the last terms. 2 times 4 is 8. Your last step is going to be combining like terms, which are 4x and 2x. And that is your answer, written in standard form. So that one was a bit of a mess. Trial and error. Let me do a second problem that will hopefully be a little bit more clear. Looking at number 4 on that paper handout that I have, it says x plus 5 times x minus 2. Okay, we are going to do the first terms, x times x, which is x squared. Then we are going to do the outer terms, x times negative 2, which is a negative 2x. Remember, the coefficient comes first, then the variable, not the other way around. Okay, inner 5 times x is 5x. And last, 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Our last step is to combine like terms. So we have x squared plus 3x, because these two are like terms, minus 10. Okay, so we're using our product rule, we're using our combining like terms, we're sort of using the distributive property, and so we're putting it all together. It's essentially what we're doing. Let's look at a couple more, so we'll do maybe 2 more problems. Look at number 19, I'm going to jump on down. It says 3x plus 1 and 3x minus 1. Okay, so same process. First terms, 3 times 3 is 9. X times x is x squared. Outer, 3 times negative 1 is minus 3x. Inner, 3 times 1 is plus 3x. Last, 1 times negative 1 is a negative 1. Okay, let's combine like terms. 9x squared is same. Negative 3x plus 3x, well, they cancel out because they become 0. And so we are left with the minus 1, and that is simplified. And I think I said I would do one more. Let's look at number 22, because it's a little bit different, but I bet you can guess what they did. Well, they said x plus 4 squared. And we know that anything squared is whatever it is times itself, you guessed it, twice. So we've just expanded the notation. So now we're going to do the first, outer, inner, last. Okay, 4x plus 4x is 8x. And that is simplified. And that's it for multiplying binomials. So it's not as scary as we thought.